Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Sydney Grace tutorial. She sent me some more goodies. I love her. Heather, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, and I love your shadows. But anyway, you guys recently saw me using the top row of, I think this is the summer shades or spring shades. I don't remember because my mind. But this is a new bundle called Danny's Dream. And when I touched this one right here, I was like, yeah, we're using this today. It's going on my eyes today. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the swatches of these. First, we have Tangy Citrus, Calmerica, Green something, I don't know how to say that, Honeydew, Kiwi Fruit, Green Mango, that one I love, Granny Smith, Sweet Sop, and then Key Lime. Now that you guys have seen all of the swatches, I'm not going to talk anymore. We're just going to go ahead and get into this tutorial. The first shade I am going to go in with is Calmeria on a Sonia G Crease 2. I am starting this on the very outer corner of the eye, packing it on and then bringing it upwards. I'm kind of going to smoke this out on the very outer corner. I will slowly bring this into the crease and transition area, but I do not want to bring this all the way in. I want to make sure that I really smoke out the outer corner and then bring it about 3/4 of the way in and up pretty high, but not as pigmented once you get further towards the brow. I am also going to take that shade again on a MAC 221 and bring it right along the lower lash line, again going about 3/4 of the way in, just back and forth motions. Now on a Wayne Goss number 17, I'm taking Honeydew. Oh, this color is so pretty. And I am tapping this on the outer corner. I'm bringing it into the crease, working it slightly upwards. And I also want to take this and pack it right over the lid about halfway in, just so that everything gets a nice blend. And then I'm going to go circular motions and blend out right around that area. But again, I do not want to bring this all the way in. I want to make sure it's on the center and outer half of the eye. But this color is so beautiful. I think this color just on the eye all by itself would be stunning. Then we're going to go in with my favorite shade, Green Mango, on a Sonia G Builder 3. And I'm going to pat that all over the center of the lid and going over the last shade that we put down, and I'm going all the way up to the crease. This color is absolutely insane. I think that if you use this wet, it would be, oh my God, it would just be even prettier. It's already pretty on its own, but this is just a stunning color. Then I want to brighten up the inner corner, so I'm taking a MAC 242 and the shade Tangy Citrus. I'm applying that on the front portion of the lid, on the inner corner, and then directly below. I'm just kind of going back and forth and making sure everything is blended, and I'm also tapping over the last shade we put down just to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. Now I also want to use this shade as my brow arch, and whew, this is so bright, and I love the yellow undertone to it. It's beautiful. Like, the whole collection is beautiful. Then lastly, I'm going in with the matte shade in Key Lime on a Linda Hallberg 333. I'm going to show you guys me tapping this right along my lashes, but I'm going to do the winged part off camera because, yeah, I don't want to make a mess. But I did create a wing with this, as you can see. And then I finished off the look with Milk Liner in Biz, which is a blue to the top inner rim, and then just mascara. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you plan on picking up any shades, remember I do have a code, not an affiliate code, just something to save you guys some money. It is PuffinsWife15. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.